Hello guys, welcome to Generation Unravel. In this video, I'm gonna be showing you how you can upload your resume on LinkedIn. And it's actually a very simple procedure, so just follow me. So I'm currently here on my LinkedIn homepage, and what you need to do is actually head over to your profile. Oh no, not head over to your profile. Head somewhere else. What I need you to head over to your settings actually. So yes, still hover to the same one, which is like the me on the right top corner of the screen, and just head over to settings and privacy. Click on that, and then after that you just head over to data privacy on the left side of your screen. Click on it, and then now you'll see if you scroll down, you'll see the job application settings over here. Just click on it, and then it's gonna load for a bit. So it's trying to access your and then here you'll see that you have the option to share your resume data with all your recruiters. For example, this one, we just need to enable this one. Click on the switch it on, and then now let's just upload our resume here. Just gonna choose my resume, and that's it. It's uploaded on LinkedIn. I hope this video helped you. Like, comment, subscribe if you did. This is Generation Unravel, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.